Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are innovator from Building Surveying Program and our innovation is called Easy Material Lab Testing. Here are our team members: NORAZURA MIZAL AZZMI, Siti Zubaidah, Dr. Norehan, Nazhatulzalkis, Nadira Ahzahar, and Intan Bayani. The content of this innovation are introduction, problem statement, objective, methods, and we also include result and student feedback, and lastly, conclusion. For introduction, the laboratory work is a hands-on practical skill of course material properties in a program of building surveying. Since COVID-19, this course has been delivered online. Therefore, many students have difficulty achieving the course learning outcome due to implementation of a visual lab that makes it difficult to concentrate and focus. This concept of developing alternative methods using Google Forms that incorporate the information and content of each testing together with a picture and a brief text to boost student comprehension of the objective and methods of testing was conceived. The Google Form was designed to resemble a quiz with fast feedback on course and answers. Problem statement of this innovation is the phenomenon of the COVID-19 that hit the whole world, including Malaysia, in early 2020, that forced a new alternative learning technique to be introduced and practiced immediately. The lectures by the ODL has become popular choice either through Google Meet, video, YouTube, and other platforms. However, findings from the random survey, including results from the continuous assessment, revealed that materials laboratory tests work given to the student did not achieve the CLO. The feedback showed that a student hard to understand and even difficult to concentrate and focus on each topic in the syllabus, especially the visual laboratory. For that reason, the objective of this innovation is to develop methods of learning using Google Forms that incorporate the information and content of each laboratory testing together with a picture and a brief text. The second objective is to increase students' comprehension of the objective and methods of laboratory testing. The method of using Google Forms allows to design and evaluate surveys directly in the mobile or web browser without the need for additional software. It may receive immediate findings and quickly summarize survey data with charts and graphs. It is because this form is easy to adapt and manage. In other words, it facilitates the method of understanding among the students. The form is named as Easy Material Lab Testing, aims to expose students to the basic material use in construction fields. The figures show the example of the Easy Material Lab Testing forms, which contain basic question and response to the two testing that will be conducted, namely sieve analysis and slump test. The following figure displays the question regarding method as well as building materials related to the selected laboratory test. This figure is the example of the multi-choice and checkbox questionnaire regarding tools and material for slump tests. A total of 100 students from the first semester of Diploma in Building Surveying took part in this survey. The students may answer for approximately 15 seconds to complete a multiple choice and checkbox option with a total of 12 questions. From the figure, the graph displays the point score of each interval stated the number of respondents from the lower point of 2 to the highest point of 30. The 42 number of students recorded points more than half of the total marks of 15 points. The highest number of 16 students with 24 points was recorded as a greater performance. Meanwhile, there are 7 students with a total score of 26 and 5 students achieved the full points of 30 respectively. The percentage calculation of understanding recorded 58% of students obtaining a score of more than half of the full marks, which is from 14 to 30 marks. This does prove that the easy material lab testing for courses related to the laboratory testing work proved to be very significant in enhancing students' understanding. For conclusion, the findings have encouraged the new dimension to the research team to improve the performance of MLT forms in the future. In fact, it is proposed to be implemented to other programs in Faculty of Architecture, Planning and Surveying that also have courses related to the laboratory testing and building materials. This innovation project will be enhanced periodically to make it more effective and efficient. Thank you.